is my little sister Shakila. So today we're going to make slime. This is the box of the packet of this slime. So these are our things to make slime. Here we have glitters, we have some beans, we also have food colorings, and we also have water, and we also have this glue. There's clear slime glue and white slime glue. Step 1, we need glue. Kila, can you give me glue? Sure. There you go. So here we have clear glue. Let's put inside. First we need to take out this thing that it always covers, so we cannot. Let's pour it in. We need to put water. Third, we need to put food coloring. So here we have a lot of food coloring. So now I'm going to choose purple. I want to choose this kind of purple. Let's put in. We need to put it like 1 tablespoon. Let's pour it in. There you go. Step number 4. We need to put glitter. So here we have a lot of glitter. And I want to choose this glitter. So beautiful. Let's put it inside the cup. Now first let's cut it up. It's like a unicorn glitter. So let's put it in. That's nice. Right. We need to put activator. Shakila, can you give me activator, please? Sure. Thank you. So here we have activator. Let's pour it in. So watery. There you go. Shakila, can you help me stir? Sure. Now it's Shakila's turn. Shakila, do you need me to help? Yes. Come, let's do it. You can put inside the box. Can you help me? Sure. Good job. I want this. Want to go? Okay. Maybe we can put everything in. Wow, so beautiful. Thank you. Do I need to help you? Yes. So beautiful. It's becoming like slime now. See, we have a little water. So this is our slime. So we kind of mix it with our hand because it's like so difficult when we like stir because there's excess of the water. So that's why we use our hand. So this is what it becomes. Yes. Slime. This is my slime. This is my slime. I want to call this slime purple unicorn slime. I like this unicorn, green unicorn. It's so beautiful and fun to play with it. There's a lot of glitter. I cannot see anybody through it because there's glitter in it. So do you like our slime? Don't forget to comment if you like my slime. And if you like Shakila's slime, don't forget to comment Shakila's slime. Yes. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Yes. See you guys later. Bye!